Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get anniversary rewards in Love and Deepspace. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Anniversary events usually come with special rewards, so you don't want to miss them. First, make sure to log in every day during the event. Most games give free login rewards like diamonds, tickets, or exclusive items just for showing up. Next, check the event page inside the game. There might be special missions or challenges where you can earn extra rewards. These are usually pretty simple, like playing a certain number of matches, interacting with characters, or completing daily tasks. Also, keep an eye out for limited time banners or gift codes. Sometimes the developers release promo codes during the anniversary that you can redeem for free items. Check the official social media pages, Discord, or community forums to find any active codes. Finally, if the game has anniversary bundles or special offers, take a look at them. Some might be completely free, while others might require in-game currency but give you way more value than usual. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.